Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to align taskbar to left or center on Windows 11. For this, there are two methods. First one is through the settings app and the next one is through the registry editor. So I will begin with first one method, that is settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. This will open Windows 11 settings on your PC, and then click on this one personalization option in the left sidebar. Then on the right sidebar, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one taskbar option. Then again scroll down to the bottom and click on this one taskbar behaviors option. Again scroll down and you will find taskbar alignment. In the drop down menu, you can select left. This will align taskbar to the left. And if you will select here center, this will align taskbar to the center. Like this, you can use this settings app to align the taskbar. Next one method is through the registry editor. For that, click on this one start button. Type registry. Once the registry editor app appears, click on this one entry. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button to proceed. Now copy and paste this one path from this one video description and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the advanced key. Now right click on this one advanced key, select here new and then divert 32-bit value. Name it taskbar s taskbar AI and then press enter on the keyboard. Then double click on this one taskbar AI, registry. Here, if you will say, put the value data as 0, then it will align your taskbar to the left side. And if you will put value data 1, then it will align your taskbar to the center. After that, click on this one OK button and restart your PC once. This will align your taskbar to the left or center as you put the value in the value data field. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.